Welcome, esteemed viewers, to an exploration of prostate cancer that transcends mere facts and figures. Today, we embark on a journey not only through its symptoms, causes, and prevention strategies, but also through its historical backdrop, a tale of resilience, progress, and remembrance. Before we delve deeper, let us reflect on the historical trajectory of prostate cancer. Dating back centuries, this disease has left an indelible mark on countless lives, shaping medical advancements and social perceptions alike. From ancient writings detailing its symptoms to modern scientific breakthroughs in treatment, the journey of prostate cancer is one of perseverance amidst adversity. Over the years, millions have succumbed to the ravages of prostate cancer, leaving behind a legacy of courage and resilience. As we pay homage to those who have fought valiantly against this disease, we are reminded of the imperative to continue our efforts in research, awareness, and prevention. According to historical records, prostate cancer has claimed the lives of millions worldwide, with mortality rates fluctuating over time. Despite significant strides in medical science, the battle against prostate cancer persists, urging us to redouble our commitment to eradicating this formidable foe. Today, we embark on a journey of understanding as we delve into the myriad facets of this disease, its symptoms, causes, and prevention strategies. Join me as we navigate through crucial information that could potentially save lives. Before we proceed, if you find this content valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Thanks for subscribing. First, what are some of the various symptoms of prostate cancer? Let's initiate our quest by deciphering the subtle cues that prostate cancer may manifest. While early stages often remain stealthy, there are several symptoms to watch out for, and these include, but not limited to, the following: frequent urge to urinate, especially at night. Difficulty initiating or maintaining urination, including wetting yourself frequently after urinating. Presence of blood in urine or semen. Erectile dysfunction, meaning you cannot perform. Pain or discomfort in the pelvic area. Weak or interrupted urine flow. Persistent bone pain, particularly in the lower back, hips, or thighs. Numbness or weakness in the legs or feet. Loss of bladder or bowel control. Fatigue or unexplained weight loss. Loss of sleep or distorted sleep at night. Recognizing these signs early on can facilitate timely intervention and better treatment outcomes. Having considered some of the symptoms, let us examine some causes of prostate cancer. Moving forward, let's unravel the intricate tapestry of factors that contribute to the onset of prostate cancer. Here are several factors to consider. Advancing age, particularly beyond 50 years, or a little under, so. Family history of prostate cancer. From one generation to another. Genetic predisposition, including inherited gene mutation. Ethnicity, with African American men presumably at higher risk. Dietary factors such as high intake of red meat. And low consumption of fruits and vegetables. Obesity and sedentary lifestyle. Regular exposure to certain environmental toxins or chemicals. Hormonal imbalances, including elevated levels of testosterone. Chronic inflammation of the prostate gland. Previous history of sexually transmitted diseases and infections. Sitting down for too long at a stretch. Understanding these factors enables us to adopt proactive measures towards prevention and early detection. Next is prevention of prostate cancer. Our journey culminates in the realm of prevention, where informed choices can significantly reduce the risk of prostate cancer. Here are some actionable strategies to consider. Maintain a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Engage in regular physical activities aiming for at least 150 minutes per week. Avoid or limit consumption of red and processed meats. Avoid sitting for too long. Get up at intervals and stretch or take a walk. Maintain a healthy weight through proper diet and exercise. Quit smoking and limit alcohol consumption. Incorporate foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries, nuts, and seeds. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Experts say minimum of 2 liters daily. Practice safe sex and undergo regular screening for sexually transmitted infections. Discuss the potential benefits and risks of prostate cancer screening with your healthcare provider. Stay informed about the latest advancements in prostate cancer research and treatment options. Have regular sex. By embracing these preventive measures, we empower ourselves and future generations to lead healthier, cancer-free lives. With that, we conclude our enlightening journey through the realm of prostate cancer, from its symptoms and causes to prevention strategies. If you found this information valuable, share it with your loved ones and community to spread awareness. Together, let's strive towards a world where prostate cancer is but a distant memory. Until next time, stay vigilant, stay informed, and above all, stay healthy. See you in our next video.